Hi friends, welcome back in our series of helpful VS Code extensions. Today in this video we will know about a mind-blowing extension that will help you to know your Git history. So for adding that extension, click on extensions, search Git history, click on first one extension, that is Git History by John Gemini. Click on that one, click on install. It will take few minutes or few seconds, depends on your system and internet. Has installed. Now let's check it is working or not. So for testing it, press Alt+H. Here you can see the history bar is open and you can see all the commits that are made in that file with time and date, all the changes that was done in all the files of that repo. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for such amazing content and useful and helpful videos. Please check out our playlist of VS Code extensions and join our Telegram channel for free content. Thank you for watching.